Concerns are being raised this evening about raw sewage and a fleet of over 40 abandoned motor vehicles at the Spanish Town Police Station in St. Catherine, which is causing headaches for inmates as well as staff. This comes at a time when the police are strapped for vehicles to help control the spiraling crime rate. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that report.
This area, which appears to be a junkyard for abandoned cars, is actually behind the Spanish Town Police Station in St. Catherine. Over 40 vehicles are here, abandoned on the compound for years. 16 of those vehicles belong to the police. It comes at a time when the Jamaica Constabulary Force is struggling with a motor vehicle shortage. But head of the St. Catherine North Police, Superintendent Bew Brigaby, pointed out that the vehicles are useless and have only been creating problems at the station, which is why the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation will be working to have some of those vehicles removed.
If we are so allowed to by the mayor in relation to moving them from this location to our storage location, it will be facilitated.
The entire back section of the station was in a deplorable condition. As you would have seen here, that really and truly, it's tantamounts to really catastrophe. There's an issue with a part of the fencing. We are going to be assisting with that by putting in that other fence that is needed at the back.
But even more intriguing, the motor vehicles hoarded at the station form only part of the problem. There were also concerns about raw sewage flowing through the compound when it rains, especially where the inmates are housed.
Just a matter of being uncomfortable. The stench, well, they have already expressed their disgruntlement with that. So again, members as well as inmates having a problem with it. Hence, we're trying to, at best, make it go away.
Mayor of Spanish Town Norman Scott has promised help. He said the sewage flowing into the station yard is coming from the neighboring community De La Vega City, where there is an issue at the treatment plant.
I'm going to be writing to the health department and the Ministry of Health to ensure that the sewage treatment plant that this area feeds into, which is the same De La Vega City treatment plant. Some time ago, some repairs were started, and we're going to be following up with it to ensure that the repairs are completed.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.